aking bolognese. Hindi ko sa video ang kanina guys. Ako rin gumawa niyang bolognese. Nagawa tayo ng more lasagna guys. Yan. Ako rin ang gumawa niya. Already I make. And then this is balsamel guys. Balsamel for lasagna guys. I make maybe 20 pieces of lasagna guys. This is coming boiling. Then I start make lasagna guys. You see? Easy. This is milk. 4 milk, 1 cream. And then butter and flour. You see? You see? Yan guys. Boiling. Finish and then I make lasagna. This is my bolognese. Already finished guys. You see? I make more lasagna because my lasagna is already finished guys. Wow. This is doha guys. Already I boiling. Already cooking guys. This is dough for lasagna. Like this guys, you see. I make maybe 25 lasagna. Yan guys yung this is dough for lasagna guys. Wow. And now guys ready for boiling guys. You see how to make balsamel guys. Wow, you see. Now I start guys already boiling guys, you see. Wow. Yan guys already done ay salang streamer guys because maybe some big streamer guys Wow. This is my co-chef guys. I help you, please help the YouTube Malik, the YouTube channel guys Wow. Wait baby. Ayan guys ubusin mamaya kasi marami akong gagawin. 20 pieces of lasagna, 25 like this. Ayan guys Yes. Now start guys I make more lasagna. One minute खड़ा vegetable is coming. Picture yan guys, start na tayo guys yan lang I make first 4 guys lang siya guys Yan guys, now is to all dishwasher department group. Why? All department. Oh group. Yes, this is my dough guys This is my dough هذا كبشن ماله كبشن هذا ماله هذا مدته coins bank Guys, ready na siya. Ipas mo hada ha, like hada. Guys.
फोटो डाल दिया डाल दिया मेरा ग्रुप है डाल दिया नहीं डाल रहे एक एक कर वही बोलो पहले डालना ग्रुप है फोटो भेज दो
See guys, ha?
इसको
I make
इसको
four.
वेट करना है
First 4 guys.
वेट करना है ये क्रिएट का हर एक क्रिएट का फोटो उठाओ
Now is beef. 1 spoon beef guys. Oh. Easy guys. Untuk lasagna. 1 spoon. Finish.
बाद में रेड कैप्सिकम येलो कैप्सिकम मिर्ची भीतर उठेगा हाँ वो ये पिक्चर कौन उठेगा आप उठेगा ये सब चेक करना पिक्चर उठेगा कुछ खराब होगा आप उठेगा चेक करना सब नहीं पहले भाई
कैसा? Guys.
hey next
And then guys,
five
this. Little only guys, that's more. Balsamin. Easy. Now second layer tayo guys, Finish. Now is 2 layer 2 guys, 2 layer 2. Guys, yes guys, put that like this. And guys, now is 2 layer. Very easy to make guys, lasagna. How to make easy and yummy lasagna. Guys, now is 2 layer beef, last layer of beef guys. 1 spoon. Finish. 1 spoon. Rice finish. 1 spoon only. Rice finish, Another 1 spoon. Oh, already done guys, Now is parmesan, little parmesan for the good taste. Yes. And now is little like this only, guys. Huh? Wow. Yes, huh? Balsamic, guys. Huh? Old lasagna. Oh, finish, guys. Easy. Now is penalty. Now is last. Balsamic up. Finishing, guys. Huh? I cut again. This is finishing, huh? Dito is yung tubig lasagna, guys. Huh? Cut again, solution like this, the same. Guys, now is last. Finishing na tayo, guys. Ha? This is finishing. I make maybe 25 pieces, guys. Ha? Yeah. Guys, oh. And guys, ha? Like this. Sige, sa finishing, ha? Dito spoon. Balsamel, guys, ha? This is finishing, guys, ha? One zero, guys. Finish. 1-0 finish. Yan, guys, ha? So guys, 2-0. Finish again. Wow. Easy, guys, ha? How to make lasagna. I make maybe 25 pieces, guys, ha? Guys, now it's ready. Finishing and then clean. Clean side by side, guys, ha? Clean. Then guys, I already clean, ha? And another one clean again. Yan guys ha. Guys. Left and right use guys.
ये तो बॉडी बिल्डर
Guys, ready. 4 pieces is ready guys. Yan guys, ready ha. Now I put here. Yan guys ha, I put here ha. First 4 I put here. Yan guys ha. Another one. Yan. Yan guys ha, I put another 4 ha. I put another 4. See? Another 4 ha. All is 8 is. And then I make again guys ha. Maybe 20 pieces or 25 pieces guys. Now is closing and then open. Yes. 10 minutes only. It's cooking. Already I like the little golden brown. Ayan guys, ready na ha. Konting golden brown lang ha. Ayan. Meron na uli akong nagawang 4 guys. Yan. Bali ano na siya. 12 na yan lahat guys ha. Already cooked. I put here guys ha. One by one put out. Okay, ready guys. Already cooked now. Yan. Little golden brown lang like guys. You see? Wow. See guys. Wow. 12 pieces now is ready guys ha. Yan. Guys ha. Easy to make guys, you see? Wow. Wow, 12 pieces guys is ready guys. You see? Wow. And another I put 4 pieces again ha. You see, very fast to make. This is 8 is ready. I put another 4. Another 4 is ready guys ha. Guys, already cooking. May lasagna. Ayan guys ha. More.
خالص بالله عليك جيب لي كيس كوبون اللي جاي هنا كيس كوبون انت موجود في المحل متى حتجي
Another 8. Ayan lang guys. Ready na ulit. Ready na ulit guys ha. Finish na tayo ha. 23 pieces guys ha. Right? Yan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Finish lasagna.